Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to apply HygiSeal in FRP panel joints. What do you need? HygiSeal tape, HygiSeal, an extrusion gun, manual, battery driven or pneumatic, a smoothing tool, and joint finishing liquid. Before we can fill the joint, we need to apply HygiSeal tape. The tape is applied on both sides, approximately 2 mm from the joint. With this we will create an overlap which results in a stronger joint. Take a HygiSeal cartridge and remove the seal with, for example, a cutting plier or a pincer. Load the cartridge into the extrusion tool and put a nozzle on top of it. After you screw the extrusion gun shut, put the cartridge under slight pressure, enough to fix the nozzle in place. Cut the nozzle at a slight angle just below the tip. This will allow us to insert the nozzle tip into the FRP panel joints, making it easier to fill the joint completely. Start to apply the HygiSeal in the joint and make sure it is completely filled and not too much extra is extruded. When the joint is filled, the smoothing can be done. After about 15 minutes, you will get skin formation on the HygiSeal, so it is best to finish the joint before this time. Spray joint finishing liquid only on the smoothing tool and your hands to prevent excess HygiSeal from sticking to it. Spraying joint finishing liquid on the joint in this stage can give issues in the future. The liquid prevents a good adhesion on the HygiSeal in the places that are not yet covered with it. With the straight side of a smoothing tool, you remove the excess HygiSeal from the joint and create an even joint over the entire length. Place the tool at an angle of 45 degrees and apply just enough pressure so that a little HygiSeal remains on the tape. By smoothing under this angle, you press the HygiSeal into the joint. Don't work too fast, because then you will pull the HygiSeal out of the joint and you will create hollow and weak joints. You can smooth the same area several times to ensure that you get the desired result. Avoid building up too much excess HygiSeal on the tool. This will fall and cause unnecessary cleaning. After this step, the joint must be completely smooth. Remove the tape before skin formation by pulling the tape towards the joint. This means that the right tape is pulled to the left and the left tape to the right. By doing it this way, it gives the best result. Spray joint finishing liquid on the joint and your hands. Smooth the HygiSeal edges in short strokes with your thumb by putting a very light pressure on it. By keeping your palm against the wall, you can control the pressure on your thumb very well. Now the joint should look flush and smooth. And this is how you apply HygiSeal in FRP panel joints. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you for our next tutorial.